You walked in late, keys shaking in your hand. I'm trying to pretend the silence didn't bother you. I watched you drop your coat on the nearest chair, like you were running from a truth you didn't wanna choose. And I felt the distance, not the kind you crossed by walking, the kind that grows when people stop talking. I'm not here to fight, I'm here to understand. But something's breaking faster than we planned. Baby, listen to me. I'm not your enemy. I'm right here standing in the doorway of your fears. Baby, listen to me. Before we lose the melody of everything we used to be through all these years. Don't shut me out. Don't shut me out. Don't fade me out. Don't fade me out. You say you're tired, but it's more than that. More than that. Your voice keeps slipping through the cracks like you're not sure. You're not sure. You stare at the fridge like you misplaced your heart, like you're waiting for an answer you're scared to look for. I can't read your mind, but I can read the tension. Every step you take feels like a quiet confession. I'm not asking for perfect, just honesty. Tell me what you're hiding, don't hide it from me. Baby, listen to me. I'm not your enemy. I'm right here standing in the doorway of your fears. Baby, listen to me. Before we lose the melody of everything we used to be through all these years. Don't shut me out. Don't shut me out. Don't fade me out. Maybe we forgot how to meet in the middle. Maybe we forgot what forgiveness feels like. But if there's one thing that I know tonight, we won't fix a broken truth by staying quiet. Baby, listen to me.